Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. First of all, you need to add the repository into your system. You can add the next repository by running the following command. When you add repository, it will be stored in the next folder. To delete the repository from Ubuntu, open this folder and find the repository, then delete it as shown. Simply remove the entry and save the close the file. You can also delete the PPA repository using add-apt-repository command. To delete the repository keys, firstly, you need to list the added keys. Run the command below. This command will list all added repository keys as shown. To stop trusting the key, use the following command. Also, you can select the last 8 characters only to delete this key. Run apt-update command to update the repository list. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.